Hello everyone! Today we'll be taking a look at my Trackmaster, well, technically Playrail, custom of Oigawa Railway Toby. For those who don't know, the Oigawa Railway is a railway in Japan that holds Day Out with Thomas events, and they paint up some of their engines to look like Thomas characters, with their most recent addition being Toby, which they used an electric engine for. So I guess that means Toby really is electric then. Anyway, let's get into how I made this custom. To make this custom, I used a Playrail EF210 electric diesel locomotive. This isn't accurate at all to the actual engine they used for Toby, but it was the closest thing I could find. The body was sprayed in primer and was painted in brown. Tamiya masking tape was used to easily paint the windows, lights, and door frames on Toby. The buffer beams were painted red, and the face is from a Trackmaster push-along Toby. The number 7 was also a custom decal. One cool thing about this Playrail engine is that it has a high speed. So with that being said, let's see Oigawa Railway Toby running on the layout. So, that was my Trackmaster custom of Oigawa Railway Toby. Let me know in the comments, what do you guys think of this custom? Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys later.